Alright, here we have a 2016 Ford Expedition. Customer complaint is their HVAC blower motor was staying on. The controls did not work. You could just power them on, power them off, high to low, and it would continuously blow regardless. What I see real common across the Ford brand is their resistor, what they call a speed controller, tends to fail. So I went ahead and got a set OEM Motorcraft part for this one, and I'll show you where it's at and how to replace it. Alright, if we come here on the passenger side and look just up under the dash, you'll see right here that is our speed controller. It's 2 bolts, 8mm, and 1 plug to get it out. So I'll go ahead and get it swapped real quick, and we'll see if all of our HVAC controls are working again for the blower. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start the vehicle up here. So far so good. With the power off, the blower is not on. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Alright, and our low speed has worked. Let's go ahead and turn it up. Alright, and it looks like we got full control of the blower again. So if you're having this issue, check out that resistor or that speed controller. Thanks for watching.